Yeah, I'm done. Oh yes. What car's that? 300zx N8 non-turbo auto. Yeah. Oh, we can hear that 300zx again. Let's have a look. Hold this. Oh yes. Nice.
It needs some bits doing to it. You like it?
Is it turbo?
No.
Oh, is it
Normally
the
aspirated
gauges?
always, you right?
This car looks sick. That does look sick.